Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Carrot Website Builder. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Carrot is a unique, no-frills website builder designed for creating simple, one-page sites quickly and efficiently. It's perfect for landing pages, personal profiles, portfolios, and simple informational sites. Unlike other website builders that might overwhelm you with features, Carrot's simplicity is its strength. It's streamlined and, most importantly, affordable, offering a free tier and very cost-effective paid options. Carrot is built for those who need a professional-looking web presence without the complexity. You won't find advanced e-commerce features or extensive blogging capabilities here. But that's not the point. Carrot excels at delivering a polished, mobile-responsive page in minutes. The editor is straightforward. What you see is what you get. You can easily add text, images, videos, forms, and even custom code if needed. There are also over 75 pre-built templates to choose from, which you can customize to suit your needs. One of Carrot's standout features is its simplicity. There's virtually no learning curve, making it ideal for beginners or those who just want to get a site up and running without fuss. Yet, it also offers enough flexibility for more experienced users who might want to inject custom HTML, CSS, or third-party integrations. Another advantage is its speed, both in terms of how quickly you can build a site and how fast those sites load. However, Carrot isn't for everyone. If you need a multi-page website, complex e-commerce functionalities, or extensive design options, you'll need to look elsewhere. But for its intended purpose, creating beautiful single-page sites with minimal effort, Carrot is hard to beat. In conclusion, Carrot is ideal for anyone looking to create a simple, professional-looking website without the complexity of more feature-heavy website builders. Whether you're a beginner looking to create your first landing page, or an experienced user needing a quick, efficient solution for a personal site or portfolio, Carrot offers a streamlined and effective option. So that's basically all about Carrot Website Builder. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.